Do you know many people are having trouble with connecting their Bose speaker to a TV? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Disconnect iPhone. First, turn off Bluetooth on your iPhone or remove the Bose speaker from its device list. Step 2. Clear pairing list. Next, clear the speaker's pairing list by holding the Bluetooth button until prompted it's ready to pair. Step 3. Activate TV Bluetooth. Ensure your TV's Bluetooth is on, navigating through its settings to activate it. Step 4. Pairing mode on. Put the speaker in pairing mode by holding the Bluetooth button until the light flashes blue. Step 5. Select speaker. Search for the speaker in the TV's Bluetooth menu and select it for pairing. Step 6. Adjust volume. Adjust the volume on both the TV and the speaker to your liking. By following these steps, you should now be able to enjoy audio from your Bose speaker when watching TV. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Bose users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.